Hi everyone, my name is Abhilash and you're watching Code Spectrum. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mix an audio file to a video. In the previous tutorial, I made a video on how you can record an audio in HD in Android. And the file that you have been shown in the YouTube was this one. And now we're going to mix this audio file, which is Tumio from Audacity, in this to be played in the background of this video. So first you're going to need two softwares. First is Audacity and second one is Format Factory. As the whole process needs the audio file for both the files, both the video file and the audio file, we need to extract the audio file from both the files and we need to go to the Audacity. So in order to extract the audio file from both the files, we need to go to the Format Factory. Open the Format Factory. As you open the Format Factory, go to the Audio tab and scroll down and click on the wave. Add file. Choose both the files. Choose these two files and open. And click OK. Start. Now it has been completed. Go to the Audacity. The Audacity will give you a welcome message. Click OK. Now go to the file, import audio, scroll down. This is the audio file for the video and this is the audio file from Audacity. Oh. After both the files has been imported, you will see the video file, means the audio of the video file, and the audio of the Hindi song. Try to shrink the audio wave file like this, and also for this one. Okay. First thing first, you need to select this file, which is the audio, which is from Hindi song, and you need to go to the effect, normalize, but I want to decrease the volume of the sound. So you can choose the -10 decibel, which is much lesser than that one of the video file audio. So you can click OK. So the volume is decreased to some extent. Now also you may shift the time frame like this. Say if you shift the audio of the video file, then the audio has been already started. But if you make it happen like this, the video file will start and the audio will run after some time. Okay, so depends on your wish. I choose to prefer like this. Now the audio of both the files will start at the same time. When the video file ends, the audio is still playing. I want the audio to be end in a smooth manner. So what can you do is select the selection tool and select this part where this video audio file is ending, and you can zoom this part. Okay, and you can select this part when this video file is ending, and like this. Okay, and you can fade this out. Say this fading out is like this. So video file will end with the smooth ending of the audio, and from this portion up till the end you can make it silent. Okay, and generate a silence. Okay, now if you zoom in, see the audio file will end here. Now if you notice here, the background audio has been decreased the volume, and the video will still go on. You can what can you do is Control A, effect, bass and treble. You can apply the bass and treble for both the files. Okay, according to it. You can start the playback from here and arrange your treble and bass accordingly. See, if you start the playing, it will move accordingly.
This is my Android scheme, and go to the advanced audio recorder, and also you may install this from the Google Play Store.
So it is playing.
Mainly in order to have the
Okay, so what you need to do is go to File, Export as a wave, writing here mux, save it. Okay, clear all, and you can okay. Now you may go to the minimize button, and you can, this is a file, and you can open it. So it is the
This
file,
is my
audio
Android
file which
scheme,
has been mixed.
and
Okay.
go to the
Now you need to add this mixed file to the main video. So go to the Format Factory again. Okay. Go to the Video tab and click the mux and add file. It's a video file. Okay. Open it and add file, which is muxed. Okay. And you need to disable the audio for the video. Okay. So that double audio is not being played. Customize your video settings according to your wish. For the YouTube purpose, I generally use the video size of 1280 cross 720, and bitrate I mainly do is 2000 because it is having HD quality. And frame size of the video file is 30. See, you can also note this from here. Go to the properties of the video file and details, and see the data rate is 2355 and the frame rate is 30. So maintain this frame rate. Okay, you guys can change it to here. Also, aspect ratio for YouTube is 16:9, and audio, do not worry about it, just make this as audio channel is 2 stereo. Okay, and I'll click OK and press OK here and stop the conversion. It's completed. You can minimize the Format Factory and you can open this mux file.
This is my Android scheme, and
So it is playing
go
the
to
audio in
the
the background
advanced audio recorder.
in
And
lower
also you
volume.
may install this from the Google Play Store, and mainly in order to have the
Closing
HD
this file.
recording.
And you can, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.